Hi guys, I got crew member tag. It's definitely a different day. I'm so excited. And now I'm just having some croissants. And cheese croissant with some water to start my morning. And it's really loud here, so I'll stop filming so you guys don't get annoyed with the audio.
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation.
นี่พี่ใหม่ใช่ไหมคะเป็นบัตเลอร์ชอบสีเรือมากเลยอะ
Baby, you could keep me going. But my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free.
I did some research ก่อนที่จะมาแบบดู YouTube vlog ที่แบบคนมาที่นี่ and it's all like its own ecosystem ที่นี่แบบปลูกทุกอย่างเองน้ำก็ฟิลเตอร์เองอะไรอย่างงี้ Today's been a crazy day of transportation. I was in a car and then I was on a plane and then I was on a boat and then now I'm on an island. Everything is definitely really worth it. It's really pretty here. Definitely love to be at a place that is like very eco-friendly and understands what the world is in need right now, and I'm excited to go see my mom now, so that's where we're going, to our villa. Yeah. We're here at our villa number 7. Hey. Hello. Matt, look at that view though.
Baby, you could keep me
happy. นางพญา Good morning.
I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated.
Oh, hello.
I don't wanna bring you down.
We're here. My hair is looking like a mess. It just needs a little more love whenever I get ready. I've never owned a straightener and I never used a straightener before. And I just got it a few weeks ago and it has changed my life for the better. There's the hair. Okay, I feel so much more alive. Very gratifying moments right here. Oh, this is my outfit. Let me climb on this. Here's my outfit. There's this product that I really want to tell you guys about because I've been using on like my many beach trips and I really like it. It's a setting spray and also SPF 50. We're officially at the beach now. My mom just tried to put on house music. As you guys know, Asian moms don't like tanning, so I came over here to tan while my mom's over there. So we came and took pictures at the hammock already. I ate a lot of water. Not water, sea water. สวยค่ะ Wow, Beyonce. You guys, the water is so clear. Where are you going? She looked like she's in a music video. Cue sad music.
I know we weren't perfect, but
I found trash on the beach, so I'm just gonna give it to the staff.
They make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Brunch. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
Turning. Seat belt. No seat belt. เอ้ยมันต้องมีคน
อย่าไปสิเนี่ยพวกไม่เคยเล่นกอล์ฟ
พี่หลุด I got it ได้แล้วซิงวะ I changed my outfit because I already really like the pictures that we took earlier. Now I am matching my mother. This is the fit. My other family members are coming on the boat right now. I guess we're gonna go. Matching. My cousin has arrived ทำไรอะหมูเป็นแฟชั่นโชว์ เฮ้ยได้อยู่ I changed my outfit and I want to show you guys. I really like the back because it like shows and it's really flowy. So even if you're in a humid country, it's not too sticky on the skin. So I love it. Now we're gonna actually go and get some chocolate ice cream. Chocolate has been a really big part of my life because I launched a strawberry business with chocolate covered strawberries. I know I haven't talked about it on YouTube at all, but I want you guys to know I worked really hard for this to happen. We're officially in the chocolate room. Cocoa crunch. มันเป็น TikTok trend นะ but it's like Cocoa Puffs Nutella อยู่เอาไหม I'm sorry ไม่มาเอากลับบ้านได้ไหมบ้าWe thought the chocolates were colorful already, but look at this couch. Off to bed. Good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I'm not ready. The sunglasses is saving my life right now. Let's get this bread. Oh, this is cheese. Oopsie. I thought it was all bread over here. Bread's over there.
ใช่ว่าอาบน้ำเช้า
Time to eat. Bon appetit. Good morning. Now we're gonna do a little photo shoot by the rock. Hello. We're on the sailboat again, but the water is really clear today, so looks very different. I'll show you guys. Hello. ปรบมือหน่อยค่ะ กระโดด There's so many fishies. Look. Back at the villa now. Gonna change. Get fried up. The cheese is good. I think they use like provolone.
คิดนานมาก
Get you. Just woke up from a nap, took a shower, so nice. Ooh, just relax. Sorry, it's probably so bad right now, but this place gets pretty dim in the evening and the sun's going down. It's not fully down yet, but it's going down. The plan tonight is to eat in the villa. We extended our stay for another night. Very exciting news. We're gonna be trying out like so many new things tomorrow that I'm so excited to take you guys with me. But today we're gonna go watch the cinema over a body of water. I don't know what it is. It's a lake, a pond, maybe like a man-made pond, but well, let's go.
Mr. Udo, I'd like to speak to you, please.
Day 2, checking out. Jimmy. Good night. We're going to breakfast now. Not really, because we have a big lunch later. So we're just here for like just coffee and tea. Ready? Barbaric. Got a few jams. This is chocolate strawberry, so I don't know how it's gonna be. But cow for the soul. The only thing we booked in advance was this tripod experience. You guys will see why I really wanted to go on it in a few. We have to order it down here because we have to go up in there a little bit. There's gonna be a bit of zip lining involved, so that's exciting. That is where we're going. And it's coming down now to pick us up.
Sometimes I
Oh,
get
it's swinging.
a shade of
นั่งฝั่งไหนนั่งฝั่งไหน
in truth, it's how
โอ้ไม่มีซีทเบลต์ให้ด้วยนะ
and when you're seeing red, come over, we can talk.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Throw a warmer shade on your cold.
Look at the ocean.
And the canvas canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love.
นี่ใครอ่ะ
Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other. Loving watercolor.
Hello, it is after lunch. I am in a new outfit because pictures, of course. We finished lunch at like 3. This is the fit. These are earrings from Thailand, and then this bikini is green. Now we're gonna go to the beach. I really want to get more tan. I'm not like that tan yet, so I want to get more tan.
Watercolor. Feels like sometimes I get so blue, there's no one getting through. But you come sliding down in honeysuckle cream and
Gotta do a little photo shoot for I am นะคะ We decided not to do the clear kayak because the waves are really strong. Oh, no, oh. Wow.
watercolor. Drip, drip from the canvas frame.
We're at
Take a second
dinner
to
now.
appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed.
A moment.
Let's mix it up.
Dinner was great. Now we're gonna go. Oh, now we're gonna go watch the stars.
Watercolor.
So I come back to the room and look. This is so cute. It says see you again. There's a frog that barks. Can you guys hear it? It's been barking for the past 3 days. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and we are leaving today. I didn't want to do my hair anymore, so I did the Kendall Jenner hair thing with the part in the middle. You guys know I don't really do parts in the middle, but I could not be fucked with anything in my face anymore, so yeah. And this is my outfit. This top is cute, but it's like not functional to put on. And then these marshmallow pants.
I don't wanna let you down.